girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vika, or a grandpa perk. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, but that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important baby, cause I'm always mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know if I keep sick of you. Don't know. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Baby, this was for you.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities, what Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we were waiting. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look at jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you fail.
I'm finna stand tall in it, I'm all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Holler again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, big my tape till it pops. Thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. All up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. You be on my back like a cardigan. Holler again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, back my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. All up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula hair, and today I'm reviewing something a little bit different. You guys know I have been doing a lot of curly hair reviews lately, and I've just been wanting to give you guys the best curly hair that you guys can possibly have this summer. A lot of the hair though recently has just been like the same color, and today I wanted to switch it up and do something a little bit more fun. They sent over this 13x4 Jerry Curly highlight unit, and it is so bomb. I love it because the highlights aren't just at the top. You know, I've received units that have highlights in it, but they don't put it like all throughout the hair. But with this unit, you guys, you get the highlights all throughout the unit. You get it in the back, you get it in the middle, you get it up top, you know, you get it all over. And I really like that about it. But I also like the fact that even though it does have the highlights, you still can see that this is like a jet black color along with the highlights. You know, it's not overpowering, and it's just literally the perfect mixture for both of the colors. Absolutely love how it turned out. And today I just styled my hair in a simple middle part. I did do some baby hairs, but because the hair is so full, it's kind of hard to even see them. This unit definitely can get a little bit overwhelming because it is so full. I'm going to put all of the hair up front, and you guys can really see, like, it's a lot. I would definitely say that this is 200 to 220% density. It's very full, but I will say as far as the construction of this unit, you may be limited as far as styling goes, because the construction of this unit is definitely one of those horseshoe type of units where majority of your parting space is going to be in the center, and then it gets shorter here on the sides. I would say you get about an inch of parting space here on the side. You could still do, like, you know, 2 ponytails if you wanted to. You can still do a half up, half down. You can definitely do those kinds of styles, but if you wanted to do like a deep side part, that's when you would have some issues. I would say that you definitely could go down in the density. You don't have to get something that's, you know, so full. You can definitely opt for like 180% density. It'll save you some money, and you'll still have just the right amount of thickness for this unit. So I would suggest doing that, because honestly, having this much hair in the summertime, it's way too hot for it. I'm just gonna be real, like, it's way too hot to have a unit this full. So I would definitely say go down in the density for this unit. But nonetheless, I do absolutely love it. I just did, you know, some simple swoops, you know, a swoop here, a little curly swoop there and there. Nothing too crazy, nothing you haven't seen before, but just a little something so it's not like too plain. So, you know, if the wind blows back or something, it's just like, oh, a nice surprise. It's not just like straight up like afro, like curly hair. I'm sure you guys noticed that I didn't use any product for today's unit, and I also didn't like make the hair soaking wet. I only really focused that on the top portion just to make sure that this lays a little bit flatter. It's more tamed at the top, but other than that, this is the natural state of the hair. I don't have anything, you know, making the curls pop a little bit more or anything like that. This is just how the hair naturally dries after you wash it, and it is just so beautiful. You guys can still see the definition of the curls, and this is the parting space down the center. I was thinking about using, like, you know, some concealer in my part just to help it stand out more, but I feel like, you know, it's fine. I don't necessarily have to do that, so I still like how that turned out, and it's almost like in a widow's peak ish, not really, but it kind of is. And I mean, anytime that I get a unit from Nadula, I always like their hair. They have never sent me a unit that I didn't like. They just have amazing units, amazing customer service. And the only thing that I would say is that going forward, I wish that companies would just give us a true 13x4. Like, let's just make this a full frontal in the front. Like, give me a real frontal. I don't want to get a lace front unit and I'm limited as far as like styling goes because there's not enough space like in the front part. So that's the only critique that I would have. But this is where the unit is hitting on me from the side and then from the back. Okay, she's a lot. And then sitting down, this is also what it's giving. Okay, she thick like peanut butter, okay? Period. Yeah, this is what it's giving from the sides where it's hitting me. And then you guys already saw like where it was hitting me in the front, like you can see it right now. If you guys are interested, like I said, check out that description box down below. Thank you so much to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over such a gorgeous unit. And of course, I want to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.